Don't worry, like just take the plunge and believe in yourself and just work hard and things will fall in place. That is one thing. If you're trying to even thinking about changing your field because you're no longer interested in the field you want to, like US is the right place to be for that. Here it is, you are allowed to change your field, and as long as you show interest and passion towards the newer field and you're ready to work hard, it doesn't really take long to catch up. So uh, don't worry about those two things. And once you're here, like be focused because you have a different kind of freedom here. Be focused on studying and making sure you like have a full-time job. And maybe the first job is difficult, but once you're past that, you will have a really good life.